Here's a question. Looking at a Sudoku board, how can you tell whether the filled cells already break any rule? And we are not solving it. We just need to catch repeats, like 2/8 sharing a row column or little 3x3 box. Take this board. Most cells are dots, so we ignore them. Only the filled digits matter. Now compare the valid board with the bad one. In the bad board, the top left 3x3 box contains 2/8. So our job is simple to say. Scan the board, and the moment any row, column, or box repeats a digit, return false. What would you try first? A lot of people would check every row, then every column, then every box as separate passes. That does work. For one row, you keep a little record of digits you've seen, and if a digit appears again, you fail. Then you throw that record away, build a new one for the next row, and later do the same whole idea for columns. Watch what happens. The same digit gets revisited for its row check, then again for its column check, then again for its box check. So the answer is fine, but the path feels clunky. We keep rebuilding memory we could have kept. Pause here. For each filled cell, what information do we wish we already had before we place that digit? We want 3 quick yes or no answers. Has this digit appeared in this row, in this column, or in this box already? That points us to sets, like a guest list where each name appears once. Membership is all we care about. And here's the move. Keep 9 row sets, 9 column sets, and 9 box sets while we walk the board once. Same idea, said another way. Each digit reports to 3 records, and those records stay alive for the whole scan. You might think the box needs a messy label. It doesn't. Row and column together tell us which 3x3 box we're in. Watch out for dots. If the cell is empty, skip it completely. Only real digits get checked and stored. Let's trace the bad board. Row 0, column 0 holds 8, and it belongs to the top left box, box 0. Is 8 already in row 0, column 0, or box 0? No, so we add 8 to all 3 sets. Move to row 0, column 1. That's 3 same box. 3 is new to that row, that column, and that box, so add it. We keep scanning. Dots get skipped. Other digits get checked, then stored one cell at a time. Now row 3, column 0 is another 8. Ask the same question. Is 8 already in row 3, column 0, or box 3? Yes, column 0 already has an 8 from the first row. We stop immediately and return false. Notice what changed. We never rechecked whole rows or whole boxes later. Each filled cell settled its own validity on arrival. The board has fixed size here, but in general we visit each cell once, and the stored records grow with the board. Let's write it. First we build the 3 tracking lists. Each slot holds a set for 1 row, 1 column, or 1 box. Then we loop through every row and column, read the cell, and skip it right away if it's a dot. Next we compute the box index, check the 3 sets, and return false the moment a repeat appears. If the digit is clean, we add it to all 3 records, and after the scan finishes, we return true. And that's the pattern. One pass with memory that remembers exactly the conflicts we care about.